Hi everyone, in this video I will talk about a very simple concept that many times is overlooked, which is adding and removing layers. I will explain what I mean by that. In every groove we play at least one element creating a pattern, right? Many times we play more than one element and they together create a complementary interaction. So the more elements we play, the more layers we create from those type of sounds and textures. It's quite common to play a pattern the way we learn it, not exploring all the options that offers. In this example, I will use the Afro Cuban and I'll be adding elements every 8 bars, and you will see how different it sounds and how powerful it gets in contrast to the effect when there are less notes and only a few elements interacting. The benefit of having control of this concept is that we can expand the possibilities that we already have to support the music much better. So don't forget, keep exploring. See you in the next video. Bye.